everyone, my name is Michelle Leonardi with Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Today I'm at one of our listings here in 5451 Marshburn in Arcadia. Gorgeous home located in the most desirable city of Arcadia. So this home, in the past 6 years, the seller did many remodeling, such as new bathrooms, plumbing, electric, AC, tankless water heater. You know what? This home will go fast. It's only going for $685. It's almost 1,600 square feet with a lot of fruit trees in the home. Let me take you in.
Hi, my name is Steven Wijaja. I'm part of Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Today we are in the city of Arcadia for doing the RBID tour of home. In our company, we don't do open house. Instead, we bring all our buyers to come into 30-minute to 1 hour tour of home. If you like this home and interested to make an offer, just call us now. Don't miss it out. Thank you.
Think about it. How does it benefit the consumers when the owner of the house thinking of selling their home today, when they hire a real estate agent, the traditional real estate model, all the agents do put a for sale sign in front of the house and passively waiting for the buyers to come in. Right? Think about it. If you're selling your home, you hire me. How do you feel if all I do put a for sale sign in front of your house and waiting passively on an hour's open house, kick you out of your own home and waiting for buyers to come in? So that's the reason why at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, we redefine that. We change how real estate industry works. So when the consumers, when the owner of the house hire our team to sell their home, right now in my database, we already have over 45,000 buyers ready, willing, and able to buy, looking to buy homes right now.